So just yesterday, I got a phone call from a client, and he was saying, "Hey, Tim, can my IRA purchase a business?" In particular, what had happened is his IRA wanted to purchase a restaurant, and he wanted to know if that was allowable. And I said, "Yeah, sure, that's allowable, but you got to make sure that you follow the rules, the IRA rules, whenever you purchase that restaurant. And more than likely, you're not going to follow those rules. So, what are the rules that your IRA has to follow if it does purchase a business?" Well, first really big one is tax code says if your IRA holds an active business, it's going to have to pay taxes on the profits generated from that business. So in this guy's case, he wanted to own a restaurant. If that restaurant turned out to be the latest and greatest, I don't know, In-N-Out burger, and it started making $500 gazillion a year, the IRA would have to pay taxes on those gazillions of dollars that restaurant earned each and every year. So number one, the IRA is going to have to pay taxes on the profits generated from that active business. And by the way, if you think there's going to be a lot of profits generated by that business, what you probably want to do is you probably want to wrap up that business inside of a C corporation. And the reason I say that is a business, as it generates profits inside your IRA, the IRA is going to have to pay taxes at 37%, whereas if you wrap it up inside of a C corporation, it'll only be taxed at 21% for federal income tax purposes. So yes, your IRA can purchase a business, but if that business is profitable, which we all hope it will be, then your IRA is going to owe taxes on the profits generated. Other problem we see with the IRA's owning business. This guy wanted to have the restaurant pay him a salary for managing the business. Wah, wah, wah. Two strikes there. Number one, the IRA can't pay him a salary for running the business. It can't pay him a salary for anything. That would be a prohibited transaction. The IRA would be considered fully distributed. Other thing, he can't manage the business. IRA contributions can only be in the form of cash. By him providing management expertise, that's a contribution other than cash, and the IRS could wipe it out. So he wanted to be paid a salary for managing it. Can't do that. That would have been a problem as well. You can't provide services to the IRA. You can't provide services. Other one, this restaurant was going to have to go out and buy equipment, and it was going to have to get a new lease. Guess what was going to happen whenever he bought new equipment and wanted to lease for the restaurant? They were going to want a personal guarantee. Whoever he bought the equipment from and or got a lease from, that those parties were probably going to want personal guarantees. He cannot provide a personal guarantee for his IRA. The IRA owner can't give personal guarantees. That's not allowable. Other one, he also had some other company off to the side that was going to be doing services for this restaurant. You can't do that. Your IRA can purchase a business, but you still have to follow the IRA rules. You can't engage in a transaction with the IRA. Your businesses that you own can't engage in transactions with the IRA. So going back to the basics, can your IRA purchase a business? Yes, it can. However, there's going to be rules that you're going to have to play by, and there's going to be that big consequence of your IRA is going to have to pay taxes on the profits it generates. Now, don't get me wrong. In some cases, the business may be profitable enough where it only makes sense to go out there and do that, and you're going to be able to follow the rules and not run afoul of the rules. In that case, go to it. Have the IRA purchase that business. Good luck, and I hope that the IRA grows to be gazillions of dollars for you. But just make sure you follow the rules. If you have any questions about this or anything else, by all means, give us a call, send us an email. Thank you very much.